Hey guys, it's Glenda. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make matcha. So, I have my ingredients here. First I have my bowl with my whisk, as well as my matcha powder. This is the Nami strawberry matcha by the YouTuber Your Mom Ashley, so I'm really excited to use this. And I also have milk. This is 2% reduced fat milk from Maple Hill. So the first thing I need to do is get my measuring spoon. As you can see, this is 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the, it's kind of gotten all over the place, but the matcha powder. I'll just pour the matcha. I'm gonna get 1/2 teaspoon, and here you go. This is what it looks like. And just pour it into the bowl. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna whisk it until it turns foamy. So I'm gonna whisk it like so, and it's gonna become foamy. And I also have my cup, my Starbucks cup with ice in it. So yeah, it's starting to become more foamy, so that's good. You should do it in a fast motion and make a W with a whisk. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here and I'll be back in a second. Okay, now I'm back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my cup with the ice, and I'm gonna pour milk probably up to this line, or maybe this line. We'll see. I think I will add a little bit more milk. Okay, now that I have my milk, as you can see, I'm gonna add my matcha. I have to be careful when doing this so it doesn't get everywhere. Okay. Now that we did that, I'm just gonna mix it so it'll turn a nice green color. As you can see, it's turned a nice green color. It's a little lighter than I wish it would be, but I think overall it turned out pretty well. So I think that's gonna be it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what videos I should do next. Also, let me know in the comments down below how you make your matcha, and if you have any tips for me. Also, let me know what videos you want me to do. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye!